Today's today, everybody. PPF time. We're here at Luxe Automotive in Salt Lake, working with LLumar on a matte PPF on our 2026 TRD Off-Road Hybrid Mudbath Tacoma. This is a really cool color. This is why we bought this truck. It's such a unique look, and excited to get it fully protected. I don't think it's any secret out there as you look at forums or just own one of these personally. This paint is a bit of a battle. You're seeing some really early chipping and wear on some of these paint, on this paint, and we're excited to get ahead of it. This thing has about 300 miles on it, so excited to get ahead of that and get this fully protected. So like I said, some of the self-healing full body wrap on this, full body PPF will give us the protection for everyday use, as well as some of the trail use and some of the self-healing properties that come with this. So we'll highlight a little bit of the process, the installation, some things that set this apart, the LLumar PPF that is, and really kind of why we're doing this for this rig here. But anyways, exciting day. We'll share more here in the next little bit. Thanks, everybody.